Welcome to the Manifestor Magnet channel. This is a summary of the book The Little Money Bible by Stuart Wilde. Chapter 1. The Eternal Laws of Money. The principles of money are timeless. Abundance is our natural state. We exist in a world of plenty. Money, like life, is energy. You are a feeling, a soul, and money is an extension of that energy. We are always loved and provided for, but understanding money's flow requires inner reflection. It flows from personal power. Wealth and spirituality can coexist. Money symbolizes appreciation and is simply neutral, concentrated form of energy. The universe is limitless and our inheritance is abundant. When used wisely, wealth becomes a spiritual tool. Generating money requires enthusiasm, as energy attracts energy. The 10 Commandments of Abundance, which will be explored later, are fundamental. Abundance follows natural laws. Our reality mirrors our thoughts, words, and actions. There is no scarcity. Plenty is the norm. However, we create mental barriers that block abundance. True wealth is spiritual, stemming from our thoughts and emotions. The metaphysics of money aligns with quantum principles. It transitions from an abstract state to a tangible form. By deeply believing there is no lack, no poverty, and that wealth is easily attainable, you will always have it. Daily affirmations of abundance are essential. Chapter 2. The Law of Flow. Abundance is dynamic. The first law of flow is affirming your wealth. View the world with kindness and richness. Believe in financial flow and abundance, even before it manifests. The universe aligns you with the right people and opportunities when you follow its energy. Be patient. Manifestation takes time. Failures are learning experiences, not roadblocks. Be kind to yourself. Flow arises from structure and preparation. To receive, you must be ready. Flow is energy in motion. It requires risk-taking, guided by knowledge. Never commit prematurely. Seek understanding first. Metaphysics of flow. Intuition helps navigate financial decisions. Every transaction has an energy. Trust your feelings. If something feels wrong, it likely is. Strengthen your intuitive awareness by questioning and reflecting. Struggles stem from ignoring emotions or lacking information. Action: take deliberate steps toward your goals. Chapter 3. The Law of Money and Distance. To attract wealth, you must be close to it, emotionally, intellectually, and physically. Emotional distance. People will value you as you value yourself. Your network influences your financial standing. A generous heart attracts prosperity. Self-worth and service can coexist. The world owes you nothing. Earn your wealth. Intellectual distance. Financial success requires knowledge. Master your craft, understand your market, and remain informed. Physical distance. Be where the opportunities are. Engage with the marketplace and connect with the right people. Taking action and self-improvement bring you closer to financial flow. Align your internal beliefs about money with your external reality. Define your financial aspirations clearly. Closing these gaps fosters abundance. Chapter 4. The Spiritual Law of Supply and Demand. Wealth comes from offering value, your skills, energy, and presence. If you work with love, joy, and enthusiasm, competition becomes irrelevant. Infusing energy into your work transcends conventional supply and demand laws. Consider the needs of others. People seek services, knowledge, and products, but also warmth and authenticity. Offer beauty in a chaotic world. Metaphysics. Your inner goodness, the Christ consciousness, should be infused into your work. This eliminates competition. Action. Give selflessly. Expand your generosity. Chapter 5. The Law of Money. Concentration and manifestation. All things exist in an undefined state until intention shapes them. Your mind projects signals that return to you. Money follows the same pattern. By affirming abundance and avoiding a focus on scarcity, you transition money from its potential state into reality. Success requires recognizing opportunities and strategic planning. Chapter 6. The Law of Invocation and Manifestation. We must declare what we seek. Words hold power in creation and manifestation. Sound is fundamental in shaping reality. Believe in your affirmations. Avoid meaningless words. Your reality is formed through language. Action. Speak your desires into existence with conviction. Chapter 7. The Law of Money and Ego. Ego creates separation, including financial division. Money is tied to ego, making wealth a game of self-perception. True abundance recognizes interconnection. What belongs to one belongs to all. Poverty stems from ego-driven isolation. Rigidity and seriousness block wealth, while creativity and playfulness attract it. The divine force flows through the feminine, intuitive principle. Your financial state reflects your ego's influence. Action. Embrace lightheartedness and simplicity. Chapter 8. The Law of Giving and Receiving. Shift focus from money to selfless giving. Support others emotionally, listen to them, and foster security. Avoid harm and fear. Emotional generosity brings financial flow. Handle money confidently. Carry cash, pay bills promptly, and avoid debt that undermines faith. Accept gifts and unexpected income. Recognize money's presence, even in small amounts found on the street. Radiate goodwill. Chapter 9. The Law of Honor, Integrity, and Abundance. Projecting negativity towards others disrupts abundance. Seek forgiveness and inner strength. Resolve internal conflicts. Truth cannot be avoided. Atonement is necessary. Take responsibility for past actions and embrace accountability. Chapter 10. The Law of Love, Compassion, and Money. Money is a reflection of love and self-acceptance. Security is an internal state. People mirror how you treat yourself. Avoid draining others' energy. Instead, nurture yourself. Compassion arises from self-care. Be at peace with life's circumstances and maintain harmony within. Take time each day to care for yourself. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the Little Money Bible. Thank you for watching and subscribing.